want Easter basket for next year?
What is this?
Huh?
I miss the oh my gods.
For my toys. That was my toys.
Look!
I saw that already. I can't open it tight?
No, we gotta fix it so you don't tear it up.
I can't see.
Rain's already eating candy.
Hey, Rain.
What?
You want me to bust your butt?
What, 35?
Do you see who this is?
Movie. Why you got me SpongeBob toys?
Well, you can have SpongeBob toys, you just can't watch SpongeBob.
I only can have
The chocolate eggs, there's chocolate eggs in there that are really
I can open my video game right now.
Yeah.
You can help me.
Brother?
Brother, you have a pair of scissors?
Maybe. Scissors, I can rip it open.
Huh?
I can get it.
I'll show ya. Man. These are the best.
What's that?
You hear Maggie screaming, oh my God!
They're all my toys I got.
Stuff.
Yeah. Oh my God!
I got it on video.